What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natalia, also known as Chef Rudakova, and today we'll be cooking a dessert decoration with ISOMALT. Many of you have been asking me to showcase some of the desserts made by the amazing chef Jordi Roca, specifically the one that he did with the hair dryer, so that's what we're going to do today. But before we start, I just want to make a quick announcement. This announcement is for those of you who speak Russian and who've been asking me to post some Russian comments for these videos. Good news! From this weekend, I'm going to be posting the Russian versions of my videos on my Russian channel. So if you're interested, the link is going to be in the description, so check it out. And don't forget to subscribe. And now let's start with this video. Okay, that's it for today, guys. As you see, this technique looks really cool and complicated, but in reality, it's super simple. I'm sure you can do it in one go as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. And now I'm going to leave you with some bloopers and fail attempts of me trying to use ISOMALT in some other creative ways.